We work with OEMs from across the globe. We have major clients here in the UK, including Aston Martin, Jaguar, Land Rover, McLaren, to name but a few. We make world-class prototypes, so we turn 3D CAD geometry into life-size and realistic models so they can test their functionality and they're given the confidence ready to launch their production tooling. We want to be greener in what we do and how we produce our models, but we want to do our part for the environment. We use a lot of machinery on site, but also we have to keep our models in a temperature-controlled environment as well. Ever-increasing energy costs, they're really hitting us at the moment. The decarbonisation net zero programme fits with our ethos here at HPL of reducing our carbon footprint, and the help that Coventry City Council were able to give fit perfectly with what we wanted and needed. The energy assessment was a very straightforward process. It was very revealing. It showed us exactly where we were using energy, where we were out of date in terms of the equipment that we were using and how efficient it was. We were lucky enough to receive a grant of roughly £31,000, and that was to install new LED lighting to replace old halogen lighting in one of our ageing buildings, along with replacing some of our old space heaters for new air conditioning. The total savings would equate to about £7,000 per annum and a total carbon reduction of about 9 tonnes per year. Doing it without the programme would have been very difficult and we probably wouldn't have done it. The grant was extremely welcome, very well timed for us as well. It's been extremely useful.